you can, if you don't want to use a toolbox and you really don't have room for it, well, then you can just, like I use a big drawer in my house, and I just put the tools in there, and in a small little box right inside my drawer, and then they're always handy, and I know exactly where they are. And the Phillips in several different sizes and lengths, short ones and the long ones. Okay, and then we have, if you just need maybe not so many, maybe you just want one or two, made in the tiny ones, or if you maybe have a medium sized one or a long one with you. Or we also have the Phillips. Those are two basic ones you need, is the slot and the Phillips.